Today, we are gathered to celebrate the graduation of Class 20-002. For the past 3 weeks, these leaders have learned leadership, counseling, coaching, mentoring, Army writing, critical thinking, and problem solving to prepare them as leaders for their respective recruiting and retention battalions. At this time, it is with great pleasure to introduce the Arkansas Army National Guard Recruiting Company First Sergeant Anthony Moats. First Sergeant Moats joined the active Army in February 5th, 2001 as a 68 Whiskey and attended the U.S. Army Airborne School upon completion of his advanced individual training. His first assignment was with Headquarters Company, 2nd of the 505th Parachute Infantry Regiment, where he served as a line medic. He deployed to Operation Enduring Freedom from October 2002 to October 2003. First Sergeant Moats ETS'd from the active Army in 2005 of February. He then joined the Arkansas Army National Guard as a treatment NCOIC for the Headquarters Battalion, 1st of the 206 Field Artillery. First Sergeant Moats accepted an AGR position within the Recruiting and Retention Battalion in September 2005. He served as a production recruiter for 5 years, receiving the state's top 10 award 4 of the 5 years. In May of 2010, he graduated U.S. Army Drill Sergeant School and then served as the RSP Readiness NCO for Detachment 9, Bravo Company, Recruiting and Retention. While in his role, RSP Site was 3 times recipient winners for the year. First Sergeant Moats became the section chief of the 2nd Platoon Bravo Company, Recruiting and Retention Company in May of 2016. He was the section chief of the year for fiscal year 2018 and fiscal year 2019 and earned the title of Expert 7 for the RAC 5 in fiscal year 2019. He currently serves as the First Sergeant for Bravo Company, the Recruiting and Retention Command. First Sergeant Moats awards are as follows: the Meritorious Service Medal, 3. Army Commendation Medal with 6 oak leaf clusters. Army Achievement Medal with 5 oak leaf clusters. The Army Good Conduct Medal with 3 knots. National Defense Service Medal, Armed Forces Reserve Medal, the Non-Commissioned Officer Professional Development Ribbon with the numeral 3, Army Service Ribbon, Overseas Service Ribbon with the numeral 1, Global War on Terrorism Expeditionary Medal, Global War on Terrorism Service Medal, Arkansas Recruiting Ribbon, Expert Field Medical Badge, Drill Sergeant Identification Badge, Army Parachutist Badge, and the Master Recruiting Badge. First Sergeant Moats has been married to his wife, Danielle, for 17 years, and they have 3 children. Alex, who is 15, Cameron, who is 9, and Elroy, who is 4. First Sergeant Moats has a history education degree from Arkansas Tech University. It is my pleasure to introduce to you First Sergeant Moats.
Hey, didn't mean to put all those awards on there. I thought Mr. Burks might clean it up for me just a little bit before we did all that. So, hey guys, first things first. Everything that you've been taught here this week, you will put into use. Especially that first week. It is imperative that we understand our jobs. It is critical that you understand that we are 79 tangos. That is what we are. Whatever MOS, it said I joined as a medic. I'm not a medic no more. I'm a recruiter and I'm proud of it. And I'm a 79 tango and I'm proud of it. The people that work for you are SQI4s. They're not recruiters. It is our job to be the most technical people in this field and to know what we're doing. That's it. That's number 1. That's what makes you pretty much the operations of what's going on in your platoon. Number 2, leaders. I'll go back to what I told you earlier. You are leading leaders. Develop them, make them better. Don't treat them like children. Treat them like leaders. Give them their power base. Let them be strong. Take your power base. You be strong. Know what you're doing, because competence breeds confidence. And people that are confident do great things. We always talk about the science and art of recruiting. You're no longer scientists. You are a doggone going to space. You are, what do you call it, a space freaking guy. What do they call those guys? Astronaut, I'm sorry. You're the astronaut. You're doing science and art and everything else. You know it all. Keep your recruiters on the science. Let your senior guys be the artists, and you be the astronaut. Take them to space. Put 130% in every year. That's your goal. Don't look at your mission. Don't look at your mission. Put everybody you can in and know that you can do it. That's it. Confidence breeds confidence. As you work, competence breeds confidence. And if you are absolutely competent in what you learned these last 3 weeks and you take it back to your state, you're going to walk around with your chest out and confident and know what you're doing. And you're going to take that back to your team. Hey, congratulations, guys. Go get them.
Thank you, First Sergeant Moats, for those encouraging words.